Introducing the 2008 Volvo XC90. With fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. A 4.4-liter V8 engine pairs with a sophisticated 6-speed automatic transmission, and load-leveling rear suspension maintains a comfortable ride. Volvo prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including delay-off headlights, power front seats, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and leather upholstery. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. Volvo ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, integrated rear child seats, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. We are here to help you.